Welcome to Global Day's Awareness Channel, a channel dedicated to raising awareness of UN global events, sharing inspiring stories of beneficiaries, and celebrating professional bodies on their day by highlighting their impact in nation building and sustainable development. And now, today's event. World Development Information Day. What if your phone or computer could not only connect you, but change your life? In today's world, information and communication technologies, ICTs, are not just tools, they're bridges to opportunity. Stay tuned till the end as we unlock how technology is helping people rise from poverty, learn new skills, and build stronger nations. Theme: Harnessing the power of information and communication technologies to build a better world. Every year, on October 24th, the world marks World Development Information Day. This day was adopted by the United Nations in 1972 to draw attention to the urgent need for stronger international cooperation and development. The goal was simple yet powerful: to spread the kind of information that inspires nations to work together, solve problems, and create a better life for all. On this World Development Information Day, we focus on how the right information, at the right time, can change everything. With internet access, mobile apps, and digital training, even remote villages can connect with the world. Farmers can check weather forecasts. Students can take online classes. Small business owners can sell across borders. ICTs give us power, not just to speak, but to grow. They help leaders make smarter decisions with data. They connect people to jobs, healthcare, and knowledge. They help us solve real problems, from food shortages to climate change. Information is no longer a luxury, it's a right. Just a quick break. Please, if you are gaining something from this video and you find it informative and inspiring, kindly support us by subscribing to our channel and tap the notification bell for more global events contents. Subscription is absolutely free. After watching, don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you and welcome back. Now, stories of impact. Aisha, 21, student in rural Kenya. I used to walk hours just to reach a school. Then a digital learning center opened in our village. Now I learn coding online and dream of becoming a software engineer. Technology gave me a future I couldn't imagine before. Carlos, 38, small business owner in Peru. I started a small coffee business but didn't know how to reach more customers. Through an online course, I learned digital marketing. Now I export coffee to other countries, all from my phone. Information changed my business, and my life. Thanking the unsung heroes. Behind every connection is someone working hard: trainers, tech developers, community organizers, and volunteers. They build the networks, teach the skills, and make sure no one is left behind. To all of you making information accessible, we say a big thank you. You're building more than systems. You're building lives. A call to action. If you haven't yet taken a step into the digital world, this is your moment. Join a free online class. Teach someone how to use the internet safely. Support programs that bring information to places that need it most. Together, we can use technology to build a better world, one connection at a time. This World Development Information Day, let's harness the power of technology to bring opportunity, equality, and hope to everyone, everywhere. Happy International World Development Information Day. Let's raise our glasses to honor the unsung heroes, community workers, teachers, journalists, volunteers, and organizations who work quietly behind the scenes to share life-changing information. I hope you gained some valuable insight from today's celebration. Thank you for watching. If today's episode resonates with you, please kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring celebrations. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, love and blessings, Titus Ogbetere. Shalom. Now, upcoming event. Coming next. Today, the 24th of October, Global Media and Information Literacy Week. Today, Disarmament Week. Also today, United Nations Day. Please check channel for them. Thank you and stay blessed.